you said yes, you want the Zimbabweans living in the diaspora to vote, and even if they vote for the current government, which is ZANU-PF led by ED. But why do you think the current government is against having those in the diaspora to vote?
Well, I can only speculate, but, I think many of us can speculate based on past history and the suspicions that the government has had of the diaspora whilst they are receiving their remittances at the same time. But, all this suspicion that you have a regime change agenda as if changing of regimes is illegal. There's nothing illegal about regimes changing, Otherwise, then that would be an admission by the military that what they did is illegal, right? It's not illegal for people to exercise their constitutional right to change governments. It's not. But we heard that when Robert Mugabe was there. You are agents of imperialism because you want regime change. And some of these guys need to be taught the very basics of democracy. You can change governments. It's your constitutional right to change governments. In fact, that's how you ensure leadership renewal, so that you can bring in fresh ideas to build your country.